你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Shi Aozhen's new drama is so hot. Fans are talented and innovative. The bread complex is teary. The Golden Goose Award Top 5 came out. Duluo Dalu missed the first place. Yufei was also on the list. Shi Aozhen's new drama is so hot. Fans are talented and innovative. The bread complex is teary. Text, light chatting. Wedge, I fall in love at first sight, at a glance for 10,000 years. The fate of the world is really unclear. Full of fantasy and mystery. Meeting, knowing, accompanying, and staying together is the furthest distance, but it feels extremely close, like our friends, lovers, relatives, can always bring us joy, moved and strength. Even if the heart is troubled and in trouble, there is a piece of pure land in the heart, which is infinitely beautiful. Wan Xiaozhan is the infinite beauty in many people's hearts, and his ancient costume image is even more deeply rooted in the hearts of the people. From the handsome prince, the unruly Rushing, the lovely Xiaofan, the wise and brave Tang San, to the countless charming Wei Wuxian, each image is vivid and lovable. If you ask your favorite ancient costume male god, Xiaozhan will definitely have a name. Now, in Xiaozhan's costume team, there is a new member. He is the great priest of Shiying. O2 Jade Bone Yao was released on Gathering Light ceremony. It can be said that a single stone stirred up thousands of waves and shook the country and abroad. Several topics rushed to the hot search. Each topic has 2 to 3 billion readings, and there are nearly 1.8 billion readings in total. The broadcast volume of the film on a certain platform easily broke 10 million to 12 million, which is far ahead of other dramas released at the same time. This popularity is really enviable and jealous. Not to mention third, the high trend of multi-country makes people look weak and helpless. Therefore, some people are eager to pick things up, and want to slander them. Still the same sentence, the prawns do not move. Anyone who jumped up no matter how much he could not make splashes. It's not wrong to follow Xiaozhan and the studio to stay the same. O3 The great priest in the flower is cold, immortal, sad, heartbreaking. Past and present, sadomasochism is deep. Xiaozhan's original lines, whispering, instantly make people fall into situations and thoughts will fly. After 3 days, when you look at it with admiration, your line skills have risen again. Yaenor, you know that I am in Fei Mountain. When I first met you, was it destined to die by your hands? You hurt me, but you saved me. We drink and peck, it can be said, no I don't owe it anymore. Some words make people have mixed feelings and heart is shaking. O4 Xiaozhan's wonderful interpretation is very popular. Talented fans are also inspired to create new stock time shadow style, which attracts countless people. I think that when Duluo Dalu was first broadcast, fans created the Duluo style, which triggered a popularity inside and outside the circle. Many businesses and official media also followed the trend and used the Duluo style to publicize it. It was so lively. Nowadays, the filming of the drama has not yet finished, and Shiyingti has been released. Does it indicate that this drama is scheduled to be popular? It's really exciting. O5 Surprise is online, and the fanatics of Qingxiji has finally come. From the beginning to the end can be described as a lot of joy. The most interesting thing is Xiaozhan's bread complex. First of all, nothing can be compared with small bread, that is the favorite. Twice tangle the bread making process, I think it can be done better, so professional, like a bakery appraiser. It's so cute. His eyes were full of love for bread, but he still said in self-discipline, don't give him bread tomorrow. Sure enough, he didn't succeed casually, and the sacrifice and dedication were beyond ordinary people. O6 Xiaozhan has always had a wish to open a bakery. I like to eat small bread very much, especially the crispy texture. I feel full of happiness when I smell the aroma of bread. It is a pity that as a star, he has strict requirements for managing his figure, but he can't fully enjoy the things that ordinary people can't be more ordinary. Thinking of last year, when the hardest time, fans worried that he would leave the circle to open a bakery, it was really heartbreaking. Fortunately, everything is over. Such a handsome guy can act and sing well. Let's shine, the bakery will have time to realize your dreams in the future. Finally, I want to say lightly, fate is really a wonderful thing, and it is destined to meet and be bound. Xiao Zhan likes shrimp, haha, eat shrimp, of course. He also loves fans, and the shrimp also love Xiao Zhan. They have gone through ups and downs and tribulations, and they also share joy and success. Although the future is hindered and long, but there is endless hope to become stronger together and become a better self together. Become an unreachable star. I wish peace and joy. This article is original from Elite Chat. Long press to like it. Writing is not easy. Plagiarism must be investigated. The Golden Goose Award Top 5 came out. Duluo Dalu missed the first place. Yufei was also on the list. For film and television practitioners, it is undoubtedly a great blessing to be recognized by the mainstream media, and the annual large and small awards are also recognition and encouragement for them. Recently, 2021 Tencent Video announced the top 5 works of the Golden Goose Awards. Let's see if there are any ones you have seen. From left to right, the top 1,5 are I, Like You, Duluo Continent, Jade Heart Like Jade, Yufei, Long Song Crossing. There is no doubt that these dramas were all popular works when they were broadcast, and the leading actors were all extremely popular actors. For example, Duluo Dalu starring Xiao Zhan has achieved remarkable results. When it was broadcast, it often won the first place in the TV series, but this time it missed the first place, which made netizens express a bit of a pity. And Jade in the Heart and Yufei are also smash hits. In particular, Yufei is Zhao Ling's postpartum comeback and a collaboration with the popular Nichuang Yibo. When it was broadcast, it was unprecedentedly popular, and it also won the 4th place. The 2 male protagonists who came out of Chen Qingling are still very popular after joining the new film, which is really convincing. However, there is another actor who has 2 works on the list, which is even more admirable. She starred in I Like You and won the Golden Goose Award Top 1. She starred in Long Song Sing as the second female lead, and her work was selected for the Golden Goose Award. The results are indeed eye-catching. That is actress Zhao Lucy. Zhao Lucy was born in a web drama, but he keeps on making excellent works, and he has not lost his way in playing with first-line actors. Now he has been recognized by the mainstream film and television circles and successfully got rid of the label of a web drama actor. Completely opened up the film and television drama market. Let's Test the World produced with Yang Yang is also in hot shooting, so you can see the ranks of the coffee at a glance. For such a list, many netizens said they deserved it, but some people don't agree and think it's just for self-entertainment. So which drama should be on the list in your mind? After watching The True Age of the starring role in Menghualu, fans, the director is careful. Those little-known group photos of Xiao Zhan, fans, another day to envy others. Compared with the others, this is the biggest shining point of Zhang Xian's body. Zhang Xian can be called the Prince of Sunshine with a smile. Netizen, the last one is turning into fans. The masters in Long Long Ding are like clouds. Picture technology is a must.